Welcome to the Brain 9, the biggest upgrade to the brain ever. The Brain 9 has been re-engineered from the ground up and provides enhanced capabilities in all aspects of the software. It's faster and more reliable than ever. Let's take a quick look at just some of the many fantastic features. After downloading and installing, simply log in to the Brain with your current account information. Then create a new Brain 9 from scratch or import an existing Brain 8. And right away you'll start to notice some of the Brain 9's fantastic new features. Try clicking on an active thought and open the new Thought Properties Display dialog, where you can easily rename a thought, set up a label, apply thought types and tags, change colors, and even add a thought icon, all from a streamlined interface. I can also alt-click on a thought that isn't the active thought to modify its properties as well, or alt-click on a link to edit or view its properties. And check out the clean new design of the Notes area, where the Notes toolbar will only appear when needed for maximum use of screen real estate. And the updated splitter control bar, where I can easily minimize the notes for full view of the Plex, or alternate the view to a vertical layout, whatever best suits my needs. And check out the Brain's flexible new tabbing feature, where I can easily have multiple different brains open at once, and then switch between them with the tabs. But let's not stop there. I'd like to open this brain twice, so I can easily focus my attention on different areas of the same brain. But let's take that one step further. Now I'll pull this tab into a separate floating window for a side-by-side comparison, and at any time merge the two tabs back together. And the Plex in the Brain has been greatly enhanced with smoother animations and smart focus, which grays out the surrounding thoughts to bring your attention to the current action. Thought creation has been streamlined. Without any additional clutter, I simply type in a thought name and hit enter to create new thoughts. Viewing enhancements for your brain have been added as well. Check out the new Mind Map view that really allows you to get the big picture on how all of your information fits together. And if you find that you want to see more on the screen at once, just drag the text size slider to resize your thoughts. And the Brain's new streamlined toolbar makes it easy to access thought tags and types. Let's go back to look at the new content area in more detail. Notice that thoughts with web page attachments actually load the web page in the content window. And you can further navigate without ever leaving the Brain. And notice thoughts with multiple file attachments will feature your first document. And the all-new document preview feature even lets you see content of PDFs, images, and other common file types right inside your Brain. Now let's focus on the Brain 9's completely redesigned Notes feature. It's never been easier to add or edit new notes in your Brain. Notes have their own slider as well, and I could take advantage of the Brain's built-in formatting by clicking a paragraph and selecting a new format. And let's add some graphics as well. It's easy to copy and paste images into notes from virtually anywhere. Files, web pages, and links to images are automatically embedded and saved locally. I'll make some quick adjustments for effortless, beautiful notes. But it doesn't stop there. I can also paste hyperlinks to other thoughts right inside my notes. I'll simply right-click on a thought to copy it onto my clipboard, and then navigate to another thought. In this case, I don't need a direct link visualized in the Plex back to the history thought, but I'd like to reference it here in the notes. So I'll simply paste it in. And in the future, I can easily click to navigate back to that thought. And to further enhance the notes, try setting up a note style. You can choose from a modern, sleek design to a more classic look. Or try the new dark style, whatever fits your personality. And keep in mind, your notes don't need to be locked in to simple text and graphics. Try adding a video by dragging and dropping a URL from YouTube right into your notes. From the front-end user interface to the back-end data storage, everything is new and improved in the Brain 9. There are so many new features and improvements that we've only scratched the surface. Download now and see for yourself.